Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and easy step on how to log out of your Bitpanda account. If you want to sign out or log out of your Bitpanda account if you are done using the platform, then here is how you can do it. Start off by open a web browser and get inside your Bitpanda account. Here I've been logged into my Bitpanda account. So if you want to log out of the service, simply go ahead and find your profile icon at the top right hand corner and click on it. In the pop-up, scroll down and click on the log out button, but remember that before logging out, you'll need to know your credential, that is your email and password associated with your Bitpanda account. If you remember those credentials, simply click the log out button and you'll be redirected to the main login page for Bitpanda. If you ever want to log back in again, you'll need to enter your email followed by your password and click login. So that's how you can easily log out or sign out of Bitpanda within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.